Well, we are officially done with our interior wall framing. We just have one part of an exterior wall to finish up and a couple of the short little cantilever walls on the exterior that we want to get started on our roof trusses before we put those in, just to make sure that we have everything spaced correctly. Per how the truss will fit. So, but we are all done with our interior walls. So we're making some really good progress here, and very exciting to be done with the framing and really get a feel for the space and what it feels like in real life versus on a floor plan. So that's really exciting, and I'll go ahead and show you our upstairs interior walls. So this is the upstairs master bedroom. Nice big bedroom here with some big windows, and it's a very similar floor plan to downstairs, especially on this side. So the master bedroom's the same. This is the toilet room. This to the left is the walk-in closet on this portion, and then we'll have the corner shower and the jetted tub in this corner by the windows, and a double vanity along that wall. And then if you walk back this way, this is where it starts to change a little bit from downstairs. So outside the master bedroom to the right, we have, this will be a bedroom. Downstairs it's the office, but we put a closet in up here. So a decent sized bedroom, but that's actually the smallest one. The other ones are all bigger. And then this is a bathroom with a tub shower and a linen closet, and the vanity will be right there, just like downstairs. And then this is the upstairs hallway. This is that 2-story entry area. We'll have the stairs go down on the right. So that's the wall that we have to finish up still. This exterior wall that goes up, that upper half is what we're working on. There's a big window that's going to go in there. And then right here is our huge laundry room. Very exciting. It's this whole space here with this window. It's going to be so big and bright and airy. Very nice. And then this is where it really starts to differ from downstairs. This is a nice big bedroom here with a walk-in closet, and like I showed previously, the little pass-through door between the 2 bedroom closets for our girls. They'll have fun playing with that. This is the family room up here. Nice big family room. And then this is that last bedroom with a walk-in closet as well. So we are all done with our interior wall framing. Just a few things to clean up on our exterior walls, and then we will be back to putting on the sheathing on the outside of our walls. So don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned to all of our videos, and we'll keep sharing helpful hints and tips and tricks and kind of the challenges that we face as we go through this DIY home build. But we're happy to have you guys on the journey, and stay tuned for our next video.